Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate you how you can use the Zoeva 127 Luxe Sheer Cheek brush. And if you're interested into blush and you're looking for a blush brush, then this is definitely the video for you, as this is what this brush is about. And this one will cost you around $18 US, and I'm also going to show you how you can use it, as this one has a very special shape, as it has like an angled shape, and this will help you to apply the blush where it belongs, as well as help you to contour your face at the same time. And so I'm going to use this shimmery blush, and I'm going to dig into it just a tiny bit. And if you always want to add more, you can. And so I have it now right here on the tip, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to smile while I'm applying it, and then I'm going to blend it towards the hairline. And so what's really important with this brush is that because I used mainly the product on the tip right here, and then I'm going to blend it towards the hairline, it just will help me to blend the blush evenly, as well as help me to contour my face shape. So I'm not saying that blush will help you to contour your face shape, but it does add a little bit of color to your face. And then with the rest of the brush, with this part right here, which is a little bit denser, it helps you to blend the color. So now once you have applied the blush and it looks evenly, this is what we want, and this is how beautiful and amazing this brush can apply the blush. Of course, you can decide whether you are going for a shimmery blush as well as for a matte blush, but this one has a mix between synthetic and natural hairs, which makes the brush itself very soft, as well as it can help you to pick up any powder products very easily, because natural hair are tending more to grab onto powder products than synthetic hair, so the blend with the two of them are just giving you a beautiful application. And this is basically what I wanted to share with you guys, and how you can apply the blush with the Zoeva blush brush. I hope that you do enjoy this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it, as this is an independent channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!